I'm in a brand new spot, to me at least. Fishing out Lake Charles. I guess this point where I launched at is considered Big Lake Point, or maybe this whole area is considered Big Lake, I'm not too sure. The water is definitely clearer here than last time I went out to Sipmo Point, or even Intercoastal City. This is the old bait shop or something, but after that last hurricane it got destroyed. The boat launch is still here. $5, not too bad. Pretty nice out here. All right, I'm gonna pop some gulp, throw some jigs, got some shrimp. All right, let's go. Good way to start the day. The flounder. Just hanging out in the shallows. Let's see. 14. Went from catching no flounders in Louisiana to catching 2 in 2 weeks. Nice flounder. Oh yeah. Oh man. Little redfish. Oh yeah, he's just legal. Another tag fished on its way. Oh yeah, he's ready. Come on, baby. Ooh. We're still on? Oh yeah. Woo. Oh. Fighting like a red. Oh. Oh yeah. Big red. Oh. Nice. Man, they're holed up in that channel right there. In that little cut. Probably just eating bait fish as they come out. Oh, they ain't ready to come in. Come on, dude. Oh, come on. Oh, shucks. Come on. Come on, I'll let you go. You just gotta get in my net. Oh my God. Jesus. Freaking amateur hour over here. Oh, dang. Whew. Man, that one's got some cool spots on him too. Oh. Look at that fish. Nice. Get a measurement on him, my little work area. Ooh. Dang. 16 to 26. Let's go. 7-1, 26. Beautiful. Man, that's fun. I could do that all day. Redfish on. Oh, redfish off. Oh, now he's on. Woo. Try to make a run for it. Oh, that's a redfish. You can just tell how they fight. Oh, dang. You saw him come off right at the boat. Oh, hey, a little black drum. Send over your cousin, redfish. Can I get one more red out of there? Nope, another black drum. Man, black drummer out. This channel holds some fish. The red bite stopped right at low tide, so I tied on a bottom sweeper jig. I'm gonna go check out some of these docks. I'm guessing there's just a bunch of black drum under here, but I mean, it's fun to catch. Might as well make the most out of it. Oh yeah. Too bad these weren't convict fish. So I dropped the bottom sweeper at these old docks, hoping to catch a red. Caught a bunch of black drum, but there's a little red mixed in there. And he's about 15 3/4. But when you report the tag, you report to the nearest inch. So I'm gonna tag him and report him as 16. .72 tag. Nice little guy. Had a good productive day. I'd definitely be coming back. Got to tag some redfish. Nice big lake, plenty of opportunity. I'll probably hit up a different spot next time. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.